they know how to do that. I mean, if you've ever watched babies crying and breathing, they're not doing this, you know, they're not lifting their shoulders. This function is working for them. So through life, when we're singing, which is an extension of speaking, we actually take it lower again, and it creates a vacuum so that we can have this beautiful resonating sound. So and then just play in that space to strengthen, just go there and challenge it there. So let's go there.